Hello, young creators. Welcome to Buff Blocker, where you can learn to code like a pro. I'm Priyadarshini, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting world of coding. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills, you have come to the right place. I believe coding should be fun, engaging, and accessible for everyone. That's why I bring you interactive lessons and creative projects that make learning to code a blast. On this channel, you will find everything from scratch coding tutorials and App Inventor projects to Python programming and web design tips. There is something for every encoder to explore and enjoy. Join my community of encoders and let's build amazing things together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you will never miss an adventure.